Trademark registration services versus boutique IP law firms. Which one is better for fast market entry? Most businesses get this wrong by thinking that filing a trademark is a one-size-fits-all process. The surprising truth is that the choice between trademark registration services and boutique IP law firms can determine how quickly a brand can enter a market and secure protection. Trademark registration services focus on speed and standardization. They manage the application process, handle forms, and submit filings to national or international trademark offices. For example, a startup launching a new product in multiple countries can use an online trademark service to quickly file applications across jurisdictions, reducing the time from concept to protection. These services are typically cost-effective, automated, and ideal for businesses with straightforward filing needs. Boutique IP law firms, on the other hand, provide personalized, strategic advice. They conduct detailed trademark searches, assess risks of potential conflicts, and offer guidance on brand strategy, licensing, and enforcement. For instance, a boutique IP firm might advise a fashion brand on naming conventions, design protection, and jurisdictional considerations to avoid future disputes. While the process may take longer and cost more, the approach reduces legal risk and ensures robust protection. The difference comes down to speed versus strategic depth. Registration services are excellent for fast, simple filings, while boutique IP law firms provide a comprehensive approach that considers long-term brand protection and enforcement. Many companies use both: fast registration for immediate market entry, coupled with boutique for advice for critical markets or high-value assets. The takeaway is clear: if your goal is rapid market entry, trademark registration services are highly effective. If you want to minimize risk and protect your brand globally, boutique IP law firms are indispensable. The surprising truth is that combining both strategies, speed for initial filings and strategic guidance for key jurisdictions, offers the best balance between efficiency and security.